Good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Wednesday, the 3rd of March. Pretty strong reaction off the bottom over the last 3 days here with Bitcoin versus the US dollar. Is this the bottom? Has the bottom been put in, or do we have further work to go? Just to keep an eye on things, we took 20 days before the price was able to bottom out in the January correction, about 20 days or so. And a very similar downside haircut that we're experiencing right now, although this one has been much faster so far, only 11 days into the pattern. Now, to get the answer, we need to go down to the 5-hour chart again and see whether or not we are reversing off the bottom. We do indeed have an uptrend on the 5-hour chart with higher highs and higher lows. However, I think we still need to see some strong price action above and beyond 52,000. Otherwise, this becomes another daily lower high, and then perhaps we'll get one swing back down. I know it sounds evil, but this is really what I'd like to see. I'd like to see one swing back down again to revisit support, take up a few days, and really work this pattern and build up that negativity. This will create a massive bottom if the price is able to rise from there, and I believe it will. So I'm of the opinion that we may need one further drop to the downside. However, if I start to see really good volume above the 52,000 level, then it's more than likely over. Something else that can help us is to look at the fractals here. We have plenty of energy on the daily chart, so there's no issue there. The only issue is the weekly chart. The weekly chart is technically fully charged, but not at a level that I would say overcharged that we've had for all the recent big moves here. Well, with the exception of this one that we had most recently. So either way, there's nothing that's preventing this, at least on the 9 period. We may find that we have to slow down from the 9 period going forward if we do break higher from here. Here's Ethereum is showing similar signals to this. A lot of energy at the daily chart. We've made a 50% fib pullback. So everything is kind of check right now. It's just that this one is so much quicker than the last one. It makes me feel that we may not yet be done. We'll find out whether or not the price is able to break above 1,700. Now, in the rest of the top 20, we have most assets are green. There are a few that are really doing really good, though. VET is real strong off the bottom. And looking at basic attention token, this is a huge breakout from what is more than likely a weekly bull flag pattern. Yeah, I'll take that back. This is more of just a basing pattern here, a standard consolidation pattern, building up a tremendous amount of energy and just breaking out from there above the 60-cent level, and a ways to go before it's going to reach its target to the upside. If we look at some of the DeFi that we've been tracking, all of these are green right now. So these are looking really good. MakerDAO, Comp, and Uniswap, all of these look really good right now, looking for the next move up. Like Uniswap, above 28 would be the long here. And then just a quick look at some of the altcoins that we do track here. Probably Engine Coin is the strongest of the bunch. Remember, when BTC starts to move, then it's going against the grain for an altcoin to be able to rally even harder than Bitcoin. So again, summary is we're on the verge of the next big move. The big question is whether or not we need one more stab at a higher low or new lows again in this pattern before it's ready to break. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.